Blog, YouTube, we are back with number deuce. You know so. Not the only person in this break. Without the rest of these people, you would be nothing. So say thank you. Number 63. Yeah, he was a baller. He was a baller. Be nice. All right, Ring of Honor for the Raiders. Mr. Cliff Branch, 84 out of 99. Formerly of the Colts, currently unemployed. Dallas Clark, 23 out of 25. Nice. Mr. Darren Sproles, 76 out of 99. Sorry, Jay. He's a beast. For the Saints. Whoa. I'm going to stop cheating. Giggling like a schoolgirl. I don't know who it was. Ooh-wee. Oh, nice, Mr. Flacco. And the, whoever the hell this jet is, Dustin Keller, 72 out of 99. Ravens, 10 out of 49. Oh, my God. I really need to stop cheating. I don't know who it is. Ooh wee. That's why I need to stop cheating, ladies. I didn't see the rest, but I definitely need to stop cheating. I don't know who the hell it is. Like, I care. I know it's the logo. It is early. Holy shenanigans. A duel. Oh, wow. Nnamdi Asomugha and Daryl Mr. Revis. Oh, my God. It's a one-on-one. Who has the... T-Bly has the Jets. And who has the Eagles? Oh, me? Oh, good luck. See you in the random, sir. Juan. Oh my goodness. Mr. George Blanda for the Layers. Raiders are doing all right. George Blanda. For what? 82 out of 99. Because I like you? You're pretty, but you're not that pretty. I'll go down swinging. Ooh, nice. For the Super Bowl champs, Mr. Hynoski. 34 out of 99. No problem, sir. Thank you. For the Skins, what'd I tell you? Mr. Niles Paul. 7 of 25. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my God, Jack Lambert for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Oh, I gotta get my sinister laugh on. All right, I swear I'm gonna stop cheating. I partly saw the other one, and this is staying right your PC. I know, Tommy. I know you like the offers, Tommy. Oh wow. Which way is it? Oh, upside down. That is nice. Oh, wow. A little pinstripe action. And that Lambert was once again 29 out of 49. Oh, my God. That's logo juice? Look like some lightning bolt? Oh, 5 of 5. Ibe Juan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? Pookie! Oh my goodness! Oh, nice. My baby. 3-color patch of Spark Plug Baby. 35 out of 99. I'm done for the break. I can go home. All right, that was box 2. Jesus Christ.